At 10, Christopher Schurr appearing before a judge for the first time.
Schurr faces a second-degree murder charge in the death of Patrick Lyoya. Hours later, Schurr is out on bond.
Fox 17's Matt Whitcoast was down there. And Matt, did Schurr have anything to say during his court appearance?
Well, Jamie and Josh, no, he mostly just answered yes and no questions asked by the judge. Schurr's attorney says his client is not guilty. It was after that arraignment when we saw the tense moments between supporters and protesters of Schurr.
Do you understand the charge and the maximum penalty associated with the charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Grand Rapids Police Officer Christopher Schurr appearing via video inside 61 District Court. Schurr is charged with shooting and killing Patrick Lyoya.
The defense submits that Officer Schurr on this charge was justified in his use of force in this episode and is not guilty of this crime. And we ask that the court honor that presumption of innocence.
One of Schurr's attorneys told the court during the arraignment that his client has and is cooperating with this case. Fox 17 is learning that during the probable cause testimony, a detective on the case told a judge Schurr was never interviewed and only provided a written statement.
And then, we'll have the opportunity in court to explain why we feel he was justified in his actions.
Tensions were visibly high following Schurr's court appearance. Friends and family showing their support inside the courtroom. Eventually, that group clashing with several other protesters outside.
When they decide to do anything.
On one side, you have people who believe Schurr was doing his job and fearing for his life. Another side sees Schurr as a man who executed Lyoya.
Murder is not okay.
Now, a second-degree murder charge is defined as a non-premeditated killing or murder. If convicted, Schurr could face life in prison. Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker is the one who is going to be trying this case.
Even if you just watch the video, you can see an officer who's trying to do his job as he was trained. And the police procedure at the time, the policy he's following it to the letter.
Schurr's attorney told Fox 17 this is the first time Schurr has fired his gun. He says they don't plan on taking a deal and will take this to trial. We're also learning that the police chief, Eric Winstrom, has submitted a letter to city manager Mark Washington requesting Officer Schurr be suspended from the force without pay and ultimately terminated. It's a process that does take time and involves a hearing. We're told that's expected to happen sometime next week. In the newsroom, I'm Matt Whitcoast, Fox 17 News.